Aave is experiencing some serious growth. Aave now have doubled in network growth. They've also joined a new network. Things are actually looking pretty damn strong for Aave. I want to basically take a look at where this can go in this bull cycle based on current growth, new additional chain to add, well, layer to add on to. Things are looking good. Before I get into any of it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what the spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I actually did videos about on the channel. When I did the videos, I showed myself buying these coins. They were coins that I expected were going to make me a lot of cash. Now, if you'd have done the same, let's say you'd popped $100 into each of these coins when I released the videos, you'd have gotten in at these prices. All you would have had to do is sit on these coins for 16 months and you'd have been able to sell at these prices, and these are what your profits would have been. So 100 into each would have been a $2,600 investment. In under a year and a half would have netted you a profit of over 123 grand. Now, you don't have a year and a half, you don't have 16 months, you don't have 4 months, you don't even have 2 months. September is set to be a barnstormer of a month. You've got money printing hugely in America. We're going to have rate cuts. Those two things were big catalysts in the last bull cycle. We're also having the dollar dropping day in and day out at the moment. All good signs for the market to rally in September, something I've been saying for literally 6 months on my site. More than that. Now, if you're not happy with the coins you own, if you're not confident in the coins you own, there's a link in the description for copymycrypto.com. Have a look at that site. On there, you'll see what my members have earned. You'll see their testimonials. You can watch all the videos. Everything on the site is public record. You can verify it on this channel's history. Copymycrypto.com is where I share with my members the coins that I own. So whenever I buy or sell any coin, I'm going to tell my members exactly what coin and what price. This means my members get in and out of crypto the same price as me, so they make the exact same profit. The added bonus is, of course, they have no work to do at all. And if that sounds good to you, like I say, pause this video now, have a look through the site, and if you like what you see, try it out. Because if you are holding crap coins next month, you're going to watch a lot of people making money while you don't, guys. Now, Aave. Aave's been around a while now. It launched back in 2020, hit some massive heights. And this was really where whales were going for DeFi. Now, what is Aave? Oh my God. Have they got rid of the About Aave section? Wow. So Aave is a lending and borrowing protocol. They have had solid growth as of late. There's literally an article here about how they've doubled in network growth. So recent activity over the last few weeks has meant that the bulls have pushed the token's price up. Aave's number of active wallets doubled in the past 3 months. Aave's price action was bullish, but indicators hinted at a possible trend reversal. So the rising activity, this was from Into the Block, who recently posted a tweet highlighting, or an X, I don't know what the verb is now, highlighting a notable development related to Aave. As per the tweet, on-chain activity on the blockchain has surged this month, with the number of active addresses doubling compared to 3 months ago. AMB Crypto then took a closer look at the blockchain's network activity, and the analysis revealed that the blockchain's daily activity addresses also increased last week. To be precise, the number increased by more than 140% in the last 7 days. Thanks to that, Aave's daily transactions followed a similar increasing trend. It was, however, revealed that the blockchain didn't perform well in terms of captured value. It was surprising to note that despite the huge surge in activity, the blockchain's fees declined over the last 30 days, which also resulted in a slight decline in its revenue. But Aave bulls have arrived. The token is currently hovering at, well, what is it? 134 bucks, give or take. Now, they have also, by the way, added a new chain or layer. So one sec, they're on ZK Sync. If it friggin' loads, there we go. Aave comes to ZK Sync era. So again, there's a bit of an article about Credible, but I want to get to the Aave stuff. Where is it? Aave. So Aave's come to Ethereum's Layer 2 project ZK Sync's era mainnet. So the DeFi lending protocol with a total value locked of $11.9 billion, which is a huge amount. Put that into context as well, by the way. Its overall market cap as of right now is $2 billion. So they are 5xing in terms of total value locked. This is undervalued right now. So Aave can access advanced ZK tech with low-cost transactions while deriving security from Ethereum with cryptographic validity proofs. Chainlink, the blockchain Oracle project, will provide secure and reliable price feeds. Aave's founder has said that the Era mainnet offers the highest level of scalability and performance, and with zero-knowledge proofs, the opportunity to add privacy capabilities and additional security for users and institutions. Now, adding some privacy features to institutions, it should be done for everyone, but institutions would get incredibly bullish on this because fundamentally it's the same principle as what I've said in the past. Businesses, the reason that businesses, institutions, whatever you want to call them, enterprises, the reason that they are hesitant about entering into the blockchain space is you are literally, everything is open. Everything can be seen. Yes, there's pseudonymous wallets, but people actually, it's not that hard to figure out, especially when you've got things like Arkham that can figure out who owns what, which I'm really not a fan of. But if you can, but a business, say you're Nike, you release an outstanding sneaker, everyone's buying it up. If they're on an open ledger, Adidas or Adidas, if you're American, can see exactly what people are buying. And all of a sudden, then there's the issue of like, competition can now see everything you're doing. It could be a real cause for concern from a business perspective. If you can add privacy features to your protocol, businesses will flock in because all of a sudden none of their shit is open for everyone to see. That's a big, big deal. So adding in ZK Sync could be incredibly bullish for Aave, especially when you factor in as well doubled in network growth. And while I know it's saying 11 billion in terms of value locked, they're also saying 21 billion in terms of liquidity is locked across 8 different networks and 15 markets. And when you open up Aave, you can see, how easy this is to actually use. This is, there we go. This is optimism. But if we just take a look at the markets, so you can see the supply percentage. So if you wanted to earn a little capital, you could supply USD coin, you'll earn 4% on optimism. If you borrow it, it's going to cost you 7%. But there is the potential here where, you could dash between chains and supply on one chain that's giving you a really nice high percentage and potentially borrow on a chain that's giving you a smaller percentage. There's like the arbitrage potential. But really what Aave is and what these lending and borrowing protocols are, that is the way for big, 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 big money. And you're talking the whales of the whales of the whales, the richest of the rich within crypto, don't want to sell positions. So rather than selling positions in a bull cycle, they will use the cryptos that they have as collateral to then borrow more money to invest. And that often, that can go well, but we've seen that go horribly. Look at Celsius and what happened there. It's very easy for someone to over leverage a position. If there's huge swings in prices, you can get liquidated fast. There is legitimate, there's a lot to balance with a lending and borrowing protocol if you are using it. The thing is, though, there's so much money locked in right now. There's so much goddamn money that people can access that it is worthwhile having a little play. And we're going to see tons more money flooding into lending and borrowing protocols when this market really heats up. I think Aave is well undervalued right now. When you look at it, there's only 14.9 million tokens. This can easily get to $1,000. If this gets to $1,000, its market cap is still 15 billion, a little less, right? 14.9. That's not huge. That's not even matching the total liquidity across all the networks that it uses. Right now, this seems incredibly undervalued. If they add in features that allow for privacy of transactions, we will start seeing whales using Aave way more. We will, especially the ZK Sync chain. We will start seeing institutions that may well flock in. I'm not saying that's a guarantee. Institutions have noticeably been hesitant about crypto, But again, I think the biggest reason for institutions and businesses to be hesitant about crypto is as simple as you do not want everything that's happening in your business on an open ledger. It's not ideal for competition. It's not ideal for the privacy that you want within your business. But the ZK Sync era integration could be massive. I think Aave's got a hell of a shot of $1,000 this year. But let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. Do you think Aave is going to blast, or do you think we're not going to see that much money flooding into it? What do you actually think? Let me know in the comments. And guys, look, we are in a bull cycle. In September, we're going to have huge money printing. We're going to have rate cuts. These are massive deals for the market. We have seen them as catalysts for the previous bull cycle. If you are holding a bunch of crap coins, you're going to watch loads of people making money next month while you don't. Now is the time to do something about it. If that's you, click on the link in the description for copymycrypto.com. Have a look at what my members have earned. Have a look at the successes we've had. Read their testimonials. Watch the videos, because it's all public record. You can verify it all on this channel. If you like the idea of literally just copying along, this could be for you. It's where I share every coin I own with my members. Whenever I buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto and the price. So my members are in and out crypto, the same price as me, so they make the same profit, but they don't have any work to do at all. And again, if you're in the position where you're not confident at all in the coins that you own, then Copy My Crypto could be a brilliant thing for you. So check it out, guys. And that is it from me. I'll see you in the next bit. Bye-bye.